Hi, welcome back to Pappy Pappy Tinkers. There's the thing going around about showing where we build our models. So if you guys are ready for a horror story, I'll show you mine. And it can be scary. It will be scary. First off is my old coffee table. I used to love it because it had drawers in it, and best of all, it lifted up and I could put all kinds of stuff in here when I wasn't using it. So just a quick slide under the table and put it back down, and we were done. But then the Tinker dogs started grabbing everything off of it. Oh, here's my gizmo for my pain pump that I have embedded in my sign. Alright, let's go to the second area now as we stroll along. There's Jack. There's Gracie. Of course, there's the ever-present coffee table with lots of goodies on it. And there's the station wagon that I'm doing the weather video on. So it is in process and it's coming along. I have a wonderful workbench over there that I cannot do a dang thing on right now because everything got piled on it. It's my model making bench, my leather working bench, my tie-dye bench, my fix everything else bench, and even a few motorcycle parts on there. Anyways, hey, there's the figures I'm working on. As far as displaying them, nope, not much on that right now. I have a cabinet that I intend to put some stuff in, but it's unavailable right now, and we'll blame that on the puppies. This is, call it the mud room, and it had the potential of being a nice model or project working room, but we haven't gotten there quite yet. And somewhere under that mess is a bunch of model working stuff, paints, extra decals, all kinds of tools, stuff like that. And look at that, boots too. Alright, models everywhere. So when I say they go back into the box after they're done, they really do. So we're going to step outside and go to the tinker shop. The dogs will bark, I'm quite sure, because they always do when I come out. Tyrone and them have to do their thing and dance around and fight and stuff. So inside this garage is a wonderful office area that was going to have, that hopefully will have a computer desk for editing, and nice workbench and air conditioner because this is Florida. Some of my stash, and all these boxes over there are mostly model making stuff, unbuilt kits, some built kits. My 442 that rolled away, there's that one. Some displays that still haven't been unpacked. Photo etch stuff. Boxes of models under there. Boxes of models out there. Boxes of models and dioramas that are built that are still waiting to be unpacked. I do actually have some workbenches in the Tinker garage. That one was supposed to be for modeling, and then it got buried with stuff. That one was just going to be a regular workbench. That was the first workbench that I built down here, just out of scrap lumber that I found laying around. Oh, the one about that one that's buried, I was bored, so I built it using no nails or screws. I thought that was pretty cool. I just did it to say that I did it. And here's my other workbench. And actually this is the only spot that I can really do any airbrushing with right now. There's a headboard that I found on the side of the road that I'm going to clean up and restain and put it on my son's bed. Another one of my projects. Always working on something. This is actually a pretty cool workbench, because somewhere under that Cadillac and the Jolly Green Giant and the semi that's over there, somewhere buried under there, is a table saw that's actually built into the top of the workbench, and it's actually on wheels. So I can unlock the wheels, push it off to the side, and pull a car or pull a motorcycle in here. Ventilation for the airbrushing. See that big door? Open it up. That's my ventilation. I do have masks though. Oh, that's the other thing I was going to show you. I am working on an idea for display shelves. And that's this up here, where they're mounted up on near the top of the ceiling, kind of angled down a little bit. And what I'm thinking about is a mirror on the top so that you can actually see the top of the vehicle, encased in plexiglass, maybe some LED lights on it, and if it works, then they could be lined up all along the top corner of any wall. So somewhere that's in process. Well, thank you guys for watching this, and I apologize for the cringe factor and everything else that you may or may not see with this. So thanks guys for watching along and having fun with me and getting to see the horror. And I'm sure you're wondering, well, how does he turn out stuff that looks like that in this mess? Some of it's luck and just getting to it before the dogs do it. So come back soon. See you again. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons. Talk to you later.